Okay. So see, startup is all about the good ideas which we have talked, and then working on this, is a teamwork and achieving certain goals, right? So startup is an enterprise, but very, you know, but enterprise, could be a small business also, as elaborated in the video, like ice cream business or some trading or some dealership. But startups are not, they have plans. They have plans to grow big, and they have something in mind which is not there. It's unique. They can change the society. They can give back a lot of things to the society. They are not only after the money. They are struggling, or they are making their idea viable, or the profitable. So this is all about the startups. So great people, the people who have very innovative minds, they discuss the ideas. Small minds, right, discuss the people, and average mind discuss the event. So if you have great minds, if you have a great idea, you know you can go for a startup. So we'll elaborate it further. What is a startup is basically this. A startup is a young company founded by one or more entrepreneurs to develop a unique product which is still not there in the market. So unique product or service is a startup. You're experimenting it. Any startup you see which has grown sizably in recent past, and it became a big company, was a startup, not a simple enterprise business. Startup is a company, basically the success is not guaranteed. Still they have to validate their idea, and once the idea is validated, and then they can scale up it. Scale up means they can grow this idea. So in nutshell, a startup is an organization dedicated to creating something new under conditions of extreme uncertainty. It's not sure tomorrow a startup will work or not, but an enterprise will work because it's a low risk model. Startup is a high risk model, high innovation, high risk. Now you tell me what kind of people are there in the startup, right? So see, so startup lies here, right here in innovative quadrant, where the innovation is high, the risk is high. We don't know tomorrow a startup will work or not. So startup lies in this quadrant, innovative quadrant, where you can see the risk is higher, the innovation is higher. So they are basically more innovative. They are trying to create something new, some new solution to the unique, or you can say unique solution for a kind of problem in society. So they are more, they are after money, of course, but in first go, they are just struggling to validate the idea, just struggling to get the market so that they can scale up the business. So the first step is the validation of idea, and then scaling up, and then the third step is the sustaining the business. So we'll talk about this, but in nutshell, I'm giving idea where startup lies. So you are an entrepreneur, you are an innovative entrepreneur if you're planning to, going for a startup. So this is very important. So startup को आप बहुत easily मत लीजिए. This is a quadrant where no certainty is there to success, but still you would like to take chances. अगर हो गया तो nothing like that. And that is the reason, you know, uh, uh, many startups, right? Many startups fail because, either they are not getting fund to experiment their idea, or they are not, getting the market to pitch their product, or a similar kind of product or services available in the market at the reasonable price compared to your prices. So there could be many barriers why a startup fail. It's not only that your idea is not good, or somebody else came into the market before you. आप डेवलप करते ही रह गए और तब तक कोई और आ गया आपका आइडिया. जैसे हमने सुना होगा ना, यार ये आइडिया किसी को बताना नहीं, यार चोरी हो गया ना, तो हो सकता है कि वो हमसे पहले लॉन्च कर दें. राइट. सो दिस इज द फैक्ट एक्चुअली. So this is all about the startup. So what is a dilemma for startup is basically startup. Keep in mind, startup is a temporary organization. वो अभी भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं कि मेरा आइडिया वैलिडेट होगा कि नहीं होगा और मुझे कस्टमर्स मिलेंगे कि नहीं मिलेंगे. सो स्टार्टअप हैज नो मार्केट प्लेस, no customers, no customer inquiries, and even no capital. This is a biggest problem, or you can say this is the biggest challenge with this startup. If you have unique idea, you have to search your marketplace, you have to search your customers, you have to generate the inquiries, and also you have to find somebody who can fund to your startup. That is where the venture capitalists come into the picture. आपने कभी सुना है कि venture capitalist या एंजल इन्वेस्टर या जो पैसे देने वाला है बंदा या जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो किसी ऐसे एंटरप्राइज को फंड कर रहा हो जो सिंपल एक बिजनेस चालू कर रहे हैं, विच इज नॉट अ न्यू, विच इज नॉट अ यूनिक? नो, दे विल नॉट गिव फंड्स. दे विल गिव फंड्स वेयर दे सी the opportunity ki okay, if I fund this organization and tomorrow if this idea works, they will be also earning in the millions and billions. So this funding concept is for startups, not for enterprises. Have you heard ever that enterprise funding and enterprise venture capitalist? No, no, no. This is only for startups, startup funding, startup angel investors. Why? Because if they see the opportunities in these startups, they fund you, and if this idea works, they will also earn. Hope this is clear. Any doubt, friends, on this? Shall I move?
No, no.
So great, ma'am. So easiest thing in a startup, जो सबसे easy चीज होती है कि बस मैं एक company register कर लूँ, and I just put my designation as a CEO or CTO or co-founder or founder. कुछ cards छपवा लूँ, right? And just एक website बना दूँ, and after that, I can create some social media pages. But that is not a startup actually. Startup is like, ये सब तो करना ही है. This is important part. But before doing all those things, आपका homework, आपका groundwork, आपके resource management, everything should be in place. आपके कुछ experimentations local level पे कि this idea will work or not. So those things are very, very important. ये सब तो कभी भी हो जाएंगे. Making a website, making a cards, going to market. But before this, you have to work very hard to validate your idea, to search your market, to search your investors, so that they can fund up a startup. So, so see, हमें हमेशा ना एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है कि छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स चल रहे हैं, राइट? हम बहुत जल्दबाजी के चक्कर में कहीं भी नहीं पहुंचते हैं. So this should not happen. You should take always small steps. Startup is a journey with small steps. छोटे छोटे काम करने हैं हमें, छोटे छोटे, so that we should able to grow. हम बहुत जल्दबाजी के चक्कर में भी start comparing with someone else. अरे उसका startup तो 6 महीने में वहां चला गया. You don't know what they did or he did or she did and what kind of efforts they have put in recent past. आपको 6 महीने पहले पता चला है ना. So never compare, take small steps. Let the growth should be steady and slow, but it should be in positive direction. Rather than, not going anywhere, you should slowly keep on moving. छोटे छोटे स्टेप लेने हैं, पहले एक प्रोटोटाइप बनाना है, फिर कुछ मार्केट में जाके ट्रायल्स लेने हैं, कुछ इन्वेस्टर्स से बात करना है, कुछ get some advices, prepare your policies, prepare your business plans, modify, test it. Suddenly बहुत सारा पैसा घर से नहीं मांगना है कि मुझे एक प्रोटोटाइप बनाना है, मुझे 5 लाख रुपए दे दो. So it should not happen. Wait and watch. Start, convince the people. If your idea is really good, somebody will come and invest. Maybe, not 1%, at least if 10%, invest, that is also good now. What is the problem? And, what is the apprehension I have noted, like somewhere who is investing, they ask for a share. कि भैया अगर आपका कल चल गया, so you give us some profit share. So we are very apprehensive. ये 5 लाख रुपए आज देगा, मैं इसको share क्यों दूं? So if you are an entrepreneur, tomorrow you can generate thousands of organizations. You can start thousands of startups tomorrow. But today's need of our is that if this person is willing to give you some money, you easily pass on share, sizable share or sizable profit. So what you can have a deal, what kind of deal you can have is that, okay sir, अगर नहीं चला तो मैं पैसे वापस नहीं दूंगा, लेकिन अगर चल गया तो ठीक है, whatever you are demanding I am okay. So some kind of deal you should have, because if somebody is funding you, they'll also expect some returns. So don't worry if tomorrow you will be having a lot of money because of this startup only. And in this particular startup, suppose a angel investor is taking 40% share, 60% is yours, or vice versa. Don't worry, you have capability. Tomorrow you can open more startups. दे दो उसको, कोई problem नहीं है. So this apprehension should not be there. So I mean to say, as I said, startup is like, solving a problem, right? Start with one in time and will turn everything. So slowly आपको जाना है. Your weapon or is your technology. Here technology means your uniqueness. Here your innovation. So आज आप एक innovation कर सकते हो, कल आप 10 भी कर सकते हो. You can open more and more startups. Don't worry about today's startup कि वो मेरा इतना पैसा ले जाएगा कल. Just for 5 lakhs I have to give him lifelong. Don't worry. Don't worry. You can create more startups. Right? So this is a right way. When you don't have money, when please do not put your family members into trouble because of 5 lakhs, and if tomorrow it doesn't work, then who will suffer? It's your family members. So there are money in the market, and this 5 lakhs may be immaterial to the person who is investing for your idea, but 5 lakhs might be very higher amount for me, for your family. So keep this thing in mind. I always suggest to people that try to pool the funding from market, right? Don't push your family members or friends, to for abnormal size of amount, so that they should come in trouble. So this should not happen. So keep this thing in mind. So that is a right way of moving a startup.